These twin sisters had been inseparable since childhood. Even as they grew up, their bond never changed. Moved by this, their father bought them a small motorcycle to make getting to school easier. They were overjoyed, but when their classmates saw it, they burst out laughing and said it looked like a toy. To prove them wrong, the two decided to learn how to ride a real motorcycle. However, they forgot that they were both very petite. At first, they struggled to control the bike, slipping and falling again and again, but they didn't give up. With constant practice, they eventually learned to ride skillfully on the road. Not only that, they even ended up finding boyfriends because of it. Would you want a sister like this in your life?